welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be taking you through on how to use a pen tool in Photoshop. This pen tool helps create paths and shapes of various sizes to create selections that can be used to make and manipulate sections. So here we'll be taking this example image of the Twitter logo and we'll be taking you through on how you can use the pen tool. First we'll open the Photoshop. And we'll select the image, and we'll select the pen tool, we'll use the zoom in and zoom out commands. Right now we've zoomed in, we've selected shape, and now we are using this pen tool to map the shape of the logo of Twitter. We are also mentioning all the steps and commands in the text in our video. You can go through them and use them for the optimum benefit of using this pen tool in Photoshop. Now you can see that we have mapped the entire shape of the Twitter logo.